What up, y'all? I'm Steve with Elevate, and I really want to say thanks a lot for your amazing investment in the SideKick portable vaporizer. So first thing you do is charge this up, make sure it has a great charge in it, and then it's going to last you really, really good. For right now, how do you get this thing going? Well, the first thing you're going to do is open up your bottom here, take that open, and then put in your battery, and again, positive up. And this is really nice. This is why you got the version 2. So you're going to put it in there and click it close. So how to turn this thing on, you're going to press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Once it reaches 5 seconds, starts the computer up. Once it's started up, you're going to read your setting there, and then you're going to have your temperatures. Between 6 and 8 is going to be your optimal setting. You can go lower and you can go higher. I like to set mine at about 7, and then about 2 minutes into the vape bowl, I turn it up to 8. First thing that I'd like to do is remove my mouthpiece. So we're going to go ahead and put a little drop on there. So what do you do next? Well, you're going to remove the top. So one thing about this top is we have this unique feature in here where the bowl stir tool is built into the lid. So how much do you load in there? Just a loose pack is nice. I like to just kind of tap it there. Not really tap it, but just touch it. And then I go ahead and hold my finger there and I give it a blow. You're not going to be able to open this if you're not in the right position. Once you get in the right position, your lid's going to come off. And again, with it back there, it just barely gets past. But you can see right there, if you hit it, it hits and it won't do it. So that's why it's there. And we have this little white dot that lets you know where it's at. And so you drop it in there, you're going to put your nipple in that little hole back there, and then just drop it. Once you've adjusted your temperature and find where you want to go on that, and I'm going to go with 7, you can go ahead and press it one more time, and it's going to say heating. And that's obviously because it's heating now. And once it gets to your vaporizing temperature, it's going to say surfing, and it's also going to give you a small vibration to let you know. And once it's up, one thing I like to let you know is always kind of stir your bowl. So I like to do between an 8 and 15 second inhale. Really, it comes down to what you like. And then you can always pack it, keep stirring it, so forth like that. Even when it's on, you can go ahead and turn it up. And we're going to take this up to 8 just to show you how you can easily turn it up or down while it's already in surf mode. After about your second or third inhale, you're going to want to take this up. So I'm not going to use my thing, and you're going to see right there. Does not really want to come up. So then I just kind of turn it and it comes right up. And then I tap it. And then I blow that again and then put it back in there. So that's pretty much how you do dry herbs in your SideKick. So next we're going to go over dry herbs and concentrates. And anytime that I'm cleaning this, I like to do it right now. Right after I used it, the oils are warm. It's easy to go ahead and just kind of blow in there, clean that out. That was another upgrade we did in this, is we did glaze the ceramic heater in there, which is like a glass on it, and it allows the heater to not absorb any oils at all. And then you go ahead and scrape that up. And then you could do it every time or every second, third. I like to just stick that under and stir it under there, and anything that goes through there that catches on the other side gets broken through, and blow on it, and bada bing, bada bang, you're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and load this up. And I load this up pretty much about the same as I would if I was doing just dry herbs. I just add a little bit of concentrate there. You know, depending on your concentrate, it's all going to look different. There's really not a whole lot there. Might look like a lot because it's flat or whatnot, but I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. And then I'm going to go ahead, same thing, insert that, and then turn it on. Stir it up. Pretty tasty. We're going to go ahead and talk about concentrates now. So we're going to turn our computer on, and we have our oil can here. So you want to go ahead and put this little hole back there. You want that towards the back of this. Then we'll drop a little bit of concentrate in there. Then we'll go ahead and start her up. That sure does taste good. All right, so we're going to go ahead and turn that down, turn it off, and that's how that works. And then every time you're done with this, you're going to really want to take a tidy tip, and clean that out. Why is your hit so freaking cool on your SideKick? Well, because we know superheroes like yourself like a better way of experiencing great vapor. So what we've done here is we've included, this is how you remove your silicone piece, but we have the vapor vortex cooler. So this does two things actually. A, it gives you 11 inches of air path here. So those 11 inches are just amazing. And so the second amazing feature that it does is once your first vape comes through here, I can feel it already. It's a slight stickiness. Well, that slight stickiness, and as it stickens up, it allows any debris that does get past the screen or anything that gets stuck right here. So your hit is always super smooth. So how this works is, again, you just plug it right in, mouthpiece, put it up to your rig, bada boom, bada bang. Simple, easy. Makes any rig you have, any water pipe you have. It easily, seamlessly works with your SideKick portable vaporizer. All right, y'all, that's the SideKick portable vaporizer by Elevate. And I really want to say thanks a lot for spending your time with me right now. Hope you learned a lot. I know I really enjoyed sharing my knowledge with you. And anyways, Vapable for me. Peace out. Have a good one.